Wheeler, an EEOC Assistant General Counsel, says, and I quote, stamping out retaliation is the Commission's top priority. Enforcement of anti-discrimination laws depends totally on people coming to file complaints. She says if people didn't feel free to do that, the laws don't get enforced. That is exactly how I felt going to the EEOC. It took me a tremendous amount of encouragement from my friends and my family to go forth with filing a claim with the EEOC, especially after the fact that I had filed the sexual harassment claim with the EEOC and they did not support me. However, when I went back, before being fired, when I went back to my foremans that I had made the sexual harassment claim to and asked had they questioned any of the male witnesses about the sexual harassment, being witnesses to it, they said no. They then questioned at least one individual that I had told them was a witness to it. When they questioned him, they then decided that the gentleman, the man that had verbally sexually harassed me, needed to be terminated. I don't know what the title or excuse for firing him was, but I was told by the gentleman that was my witness and was questioned that the reason they terminated him was they did find him guilty of sexual harassment. Retaliation is the number one risk for employers today. Well, in my case with Zachary, they blatantly retaliated against me when they took me off of the crew that I was working with, where the foreman was the one sexually harassing me, and moved me to a new crew. As the days progressed and the hours wore on, it was harder and harder for me to come to work on a daily basis because of the retaliation. It was very heartening, not only mentally but physically, because I was doing stuff that was menial, that was below my qualifications. The article refers to me being fired about 3 weeks after I complained about unequal access for female bathrooms that were mobile. The female bathrooms were less accessible to the women than what the men's were. When I asked my foremans, my safety officers, my co-workers, and my superintendents about getting a bathroom located in my work area, set right next to a men's mobile bathroom, I was told that the bathrooms were not mobile.